Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in this warm boat ramp. Right now they're doing some cleanup because of the Hurricane Idalia. There's tons of trucks coming in and out. The boat ramp is down there and I got the boat over here ready with the wheel dollies. I'm gonna roll it down. There's a gentleman down there with a boat right now. I'm waiting on him to finish. Once he's finished, I'm gonna roll down my boat. I'll probably have to tie it down somewhere nearby because there's going to be trucks coming in and out. And then I'm going to start loading it up, get in the boat, and head to one of the river banks here at the Suwannee River. I love the Suwannee River. It's beautiful. So yeah, I'm taking the MC330 on our river trip. This is going to be fun and interesting. So, all right, the J-Man is leaving right now. Let me go ahead and start packing. And then, yeah, let me get to work. That was more difficult than I expected, because they're doing like a bunch of construction and stuff over there in the boat ramp over there. And yeah, they were very nice. They told me about some places I can go up north to go camping. So right now I'm just gonna go up north, find a river camp, you know, like a river bank, and hit it. Whew, that was hard, man. I'm out of shape. And it's not even funny. I'm so out of shape. Finally, I get to take this MC330 camping. Let me see if I can catch him playing. I got too much crap. Yeah. I'm going against the current. Hey, I'm going against the current, and I got too much stuff in here. Way too much. I like going glamping, as some people say, you know? Alright. Let me get the big selfie stick if I can find it and show you guys, you know, like a semi 360 look. Alright. Okay. I have you guys on the big selfie stick. It's really long. You know, I wasn't expecting this trip to be so hard to pull off. Apparently, Hurricane Idalia that came last month did some damage on this area, a lot of damage. So now they're doing the cleanup. The state park was closed, but I found out that that boat ramp was open. But I was not expecting that we're doing work. That was hard. Whew, I'm so out of shape. Anyway, it'll probably take me about 30 minutes to find a river bank. I'm gonna camp the night, show you guys the area, shoot the drone in the air. It's gonna be nice. Let me get to it. Looks like there used to be a bridge in there. Actually, it was pretty cool. A lot of current here. Yep, it's a lot of current. Woo. Yeah, the current is moving me. Whoa. All right. Moving forward. Here we go. I think I may have found a nice flat. Here it is. That one looks nice. Let's look around. That looks really nice, man. I think I'm gonna take it. There's even a picnic table out there. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go around and see. Oh, see, that part is more flat right there. Oh, that is perfect. Yep. Well, I know where I'm camping for the night. I only went up like a mile from that boat ramp. Mile and a half, that's it. All right, so I'm gonna park in there. And yeah, got myself a spot. Okay, so I'm parked right there for the moment. This is the beach I'm gonna be using. It is very nice. I wonder what's up there. Check it out real quick. But most likely I'm gonna be camping on this flat area. Oh, and it's nice and quiet too. I like it. That's why I like the Suwannee. Oh, for those of you who watch my channel, you guys know that I like camping on solitary areas and places. I don't know, it's nice. There's four-wheeler tracks in here. Look. Four-wheeler tracks. I'm assuming that the locals come around riding on their four-wheelers just to have fun. Picnic areas. I see firewood. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a parking area here. Keep park clean. I don't know what kind of place this is. Oh, this is a canoe launch, probably. Yep. Still pretty cool. All right, so now that I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and pack the stuff, unpack the stuff, set up my boat ramp, pick up some firewood, start a fire. It's gonna be nice. All right, let me get to work. All right, so I have more or less gotten everything set up and everything ready. Campsite. I got the boat anchor here. I don't think it's gonna be taken by the current because the water doesn't go up and down here too much, but still I got it anchored just to be safe. And I think it is time for me to take out the drone so you guys can see this area from the air and before before the sun goes down. So let me get to that. Time for the drone.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Okay, so you guys saw everything from the air. Apparently there's like an entrance for that park all the way down there. There's some houses that are nearby as well. Although I am remote, not too remote, but remote enough. I mean, after all, I'm by myself out here, so it's nobody else. I like that. I like that very much. Anyway, so right now, I got a company that sent me a lantern. So I'm gonna get started on that. I'm gonna do a quick review of this. That's going to light up the entire tent. I'm looking forward to see how that works too, actually. Yeah. Anyway, see you guys at nightfall. All right, so I'm cooking me some hot dogs. It's getting warmed up right now. While I wait for that to cook, I'm gonna go grab some of that firewood around. I'll probably put the fire around here, because the wind is coming this way. That way it doesn't get into the tent. All right, let's continue. Alrighty, so sun is about down. That fire is popping. Watching some Rick and Morty on the tablet. Yeah, there's some Rick and Morty in there. And then I installed that lamp that I'm reviewing today. That looks pretty cool, man. I like it. It lights up and everything. I like it very much. I think it's called Lyle's Solo Camping Lantern or something like that. Yeah. If you guys are interested, I'll put a description. I'll put a link in the description below. You guys can check it. I got a second fire on the side because I truly enjoy having a well-lit campground. Very well lit in all directions. I don't know. I like it. It's a thing that I enjoy doing. I bring a lot of lanterns, a lot of lamps, fire sources to light up the area. Yeah. It's looking real nice. All right, so now I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning, start packing everything up. I am hoping that when I go back to that boat ramp, that it's not as packed as it was today. You know, all the cleanup crew and all that, it made it very difficult. Borderline unpleasant, to be honest. But then again, I cannot complain. I mean, a hurricane came to this area, so yeah. Anyway, guys, see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. That is not a bad view to wake up from. Let me get out of the tent. It was so nice and quiet. It was very nice. It was a very, very pleasant evening. I mean, nothing happened. That was the thing. It was just quiet. I loved it. Really nice. Nice little riverbank. Nice little river beach. It did the job well. It's like 7:05 right now, 7:10 in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is gonna start packing stuff up, putting in the boat, and head back to the boat ramp, because I got a long drive back home. Let me get started with that. Okay, so everything is packed. I left the beach. I'm gonna go ahead and move the boat out into the water, like so. Of course, I'm going home. Here we go. All right. Yep, I think I am in. I'm gonna have to paddle a little bit. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tagging along into this river trip, taking the Saturn MC330 Catamaran river camping with me. It was a besides the boat ramp being, taken by those people cleaning up, it is what it is, Can't really say much about that. Let's see. One second, let me start the engine. Okay, so now I'm heading out. Goodbye, little beach. I might see you again. I love this place. One, as you guys can tell, it's not too far from boat ramps, these little beaches, these little river banks. And pulling these trips off with these inflatable boats are very easy. I love it. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for tagging along. See you guys on the next one. Look at that beautiful view. Later.